Hello guys, welcome to my Byte review video. In this video I will going to show you the Byte software, how does it work and how you can benefit from it and you can make money from this. And this video is going to be a very valuable pack video, so hit the like button, subscribe to my channel and watch it until then, because I am also giving you some of huge bonuses inside this video. I will show you everything about this product. Now let me tell you what is this product is all about, and after that I will tell you about my bonuses. Byte will give you a secret method by which you can earn crypto without investing in it yourself. They guarantee you that you will definitely make around $300 to $500 per day with the help of Byte. So, Byte is a system that allows you to make thousands of dollars from crypto without investing in crypto, mining, holding of coins, or trading in crypto. It is a complete automated system that will fill your wallet with coins worth thousands of dollars for 100% free. It is a complete new method which never available on the internet before. It have complete training included in it and you can start to earn from the day one. And there are many advantages in buying Byte, so by which I will tell you later in the video. So watch it until the end and don't skip any part of the video. And in my recommendation, you must buy it if you really want to make money online. So, Byte is going live on 20 March 2022 on 9 am EST, which is New York time. So when it goes live, you can click any button in the description of this video and you can reach out the sales page of this product and you can buy it. Now let me tell you about information of my bonuses what I am giving to you. So this product is a very valuable and good product, so I think that the bonuses you got from mine is also very good and you should choose them what you need. So only for this video and only for this product I decided to give you that bonus which you want, which means that I uploaded many videos previously on my channel, so you watch this video and from this video any bonus you find good you can tell me and I will give you as this bonus as gift from mine. When you buy it then from my link, then in your bonus area you will get my email address and you can mail me the bonuses which you want. So watch some of my previous video and find a good bonus which you want and you can take as much as bonuses you can. There are hundreds of bonus which I give away previously, so you can take all of these bonuses if you want. And if you want some special bonuses then you can email me with the name of bonus you want and you can check it out my previously videos. In these videos I will tell you everything about my bonuses. So this is a huge giveaway bonus from me to you only for this product which is called Byte, and I am giving this away because I know that this product will definitely help you to make money and I want you to purchase it through my link because you may get some valuable bonuses from me. So hurry up, buy the product and email me from the email which you found on my bonus page, and from where you can contact to me and tell me what bonuses you want and I will provide you bonuses in just 12 to 24 hours. Now let me tell you how you can access your bonuses and how you can access the product. So when you buy it, then in your Warrior Plus history, as you can see, there is blue button tell access your bonus. Here you can access the bonus page of my bonus page where you can find my contact details. You can contact to me and I will give you bonuses. And after that you will get all of my bonuses and with only a single little price of front end product which is only for $17 to $19 for this product. And now let's see what is the sales page of this product and what is telling about. Now I am on the sales page of Byte and as you can see there, what if you get the best of crypto without its risk? Watch how we make $300 to $500 daily with crypto regardless of Bitcoin price without investing a penny by leveraging a little known cryptocurrency loophole. Zero risk, no investment required, real spendable money. So here as you can see they will give you a loophole by which you can earn crypto. Now here as you can see this is a sales video of this product and as you can see there are some of its key features. Let me tell you one by one. So you can make $300 to $500 daily without investment penny in crypto. Zero risk, doesn't matter if the price is going or down, nothing technical, and join hundreds of already profitable members. Instant payments to your bank account, never seen before method, and it also have 360-day money back guarantee, which means if you don't make money in 365 year, which is almost 1 year, then you can get your money back which is very good thing, and they get paid $300 if you fail to make money with Byte. So it also a very good thing. Now as you can see, there is a free gift for 50 first action taker instant. They will get access to XYZ profit hack of there, and you can buy this product by clicking this button, get instant access now, and you can buy it by only a little fee of $19. Now as you can see, there are some of its payment proof which they make with the help of this product. Now here's lot of payment proof and lot of detail about the product, and as you can see, there are many happy customer of this product. And as you can see, you are just 3 steps away from using our powerful system. Step 1, log in into the software. Step 2, activate your crypto hack. And step 3, profit, watch money roll into your wallet and bank account. So basically these are the 3 steps. Now as you can see, there are a lot of stuff on the sales page. Now he is the creator of this product, John Armstrong, and he is a very good marketer, digital marketer. Now there are some lot of income proof these guys, because this is a really good product and you should purchase it. There are many details about the product, and you will find many details of this product on this sales page. So click on the link in the description and come on this page. Now as you can see, you are getting everything. You will get access to its special members area. You will also get step-by-step video training in which they will tell you how you can access to the loophole. You will get its mobile edition, and you will get its 24/7 Byte support, and there is much more inside it. And beside this, you will also get $4,301 worth of bonuses with this only $19 product. So bonus one you are getting is, you will get access to the join YouTube ads course of Jono Armstrong, in which he will tell you everything about paid YouTube ads. Now second bonus they are giving to you is $90 free ad spend. Basically they will give you a coupon in which you can spend $90 for free. And the third bonus you are getting is Jono's Bing ads course, in which he will tell you how you can run profitable Bing ads. And there are a lot of stuff, many things. And as you can see, this is 100% money back guarantee of 365 days, and there's are lot of stuff. And as you can see, there is everything you will get inside this product, and its whole worth is $7,379, but you are getting it only a tiny fee. Now as you can see, there are a lot of things, and as you can see, these both are the creator of this product. And there are some frequently asked question. You can see, what if I don't have any Bitcoin? So its answer is, you don't have to worry, they will help you to get. Do I have to do any trading? Answer is no, it's absolutely nothing about that. Do I have a powerful computer? Its answer is also not. You can use it with your mobile. How long does it take to see results? You can see the results in 12 to 24 hours as they guarantee you. And I'm not the best with the best computer. Are you sure this will work for me? So as you can see, yes, it is work for any beginner, and you don't have to do anything. What happen if it doesn't work out for me? So if it doesn't work, then they will give you $200 and your money back. I am sold. How do I get started? To get Byte for lowest price, click on the button below before the price going up. So this is basically the whole sales page of the product Byte, and I recommend you to must buy it. So it's all about for this video. Thanks for watching my Byte review video, and I hope you just like it. So hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, share it with your friends, and don't forget to buy it through my link, which is down below of this video, basically, which means in the description of this video. And you can get access to thousands of valuable bonuses from this product from me. So thanks for watching. I'll speak to you in some of the next videos. Take care.